So in the fifth day I have the Wii here too. And there are actually two models of this speaker. This is actually the model without the built-in handle on the side. It does have a handle included which you can click on the hook points, but with a little bit more expensive model that costs about almost 3 times more, you do get a built-in like sliding handle that you can strap around your arm or backpack, for example. And the speaker maybe also has some other improvements, but it was really funny to get this speaker like for 50 euros. And I know the speaker normally is about 100 euros or 75 euros, but still the other model with the handle built in is about 150 euros. And I'm not talking about the Pro model or the bigger model, which is even a little bit bigger than this one. It's really pretty much the same model, also 60 watts output, also the 17 hours battery life, and even the whole size is pretty much the same. So let's talk about the sound. This speaker, I would say, is very tuned on mid bass. And while it does perform also some deep bass, this mid bass does give out the performance of the midtones and the high notes. Luckily it does have tweeters. I will also make a video without the fabric cover pretty soon, so don't worry, that video will also be here pretty soon. And overall the experience with the speaker is just solid. And I would not say it's like the best speaker out there, definitely not. But it's definitely also not the worst. And if you can get the speaker like under the 75 euros or like 50 euros that I paid for the speaker, it's really a good deal. Because it has a decent battery life, it has a decent audio output, even for outdoor use, it is waterproof. So it's really a pretty cool speaker. Of course, it's not the newest anymore, so it was released like a few years ago. Back then, all these speakers of this brand, the Loewe brand, were pretty expensive. But nowadays they're pretty cheap, so we'll also test out the much more like market brother of this one, with even the Mbappé marketing. So, you know what? Let's just go for the audio samples and see them yourself.
Watch that banana blow. Banana, banana, move your feet. Banana, banana, feel that beat. Peel and spin, don't miss your cue. Banana, banana, dance with you. Banana, banana, hands up high. Banana, banana, touch the sky. Slip and slide, let the rhythm run. Banana, banana, we're having fun. and a borrowed pair of shoes. Aunt May tapped time on the old tin pan. You took my hand like you already had a plan. The coffee went cold by the windowsill, but nobody there was ready to sit still. So dance with me till the bread is baked, till the last train rolls and the floorboards shake. Spin me around where the apple crates stand. Keep your fingers folded tight in my hand. If morning comes, let it find us strong. Two tired hearts still dancing along. Tom brought a mandolin, Ruth brought a chair. Someone Salas Los, La Salas Los, La Salas Los. Wo führt die Straße hin? Es gibt hier keine Karten. Vertrau den Menschen nicht in die Augen, auf den Fersen legen. Kein Schwein kann ertragen, wie die Sterne weinen. Sag bitte, bitte nicht an die Sterblichen. Deine Zeit ist alles geht dahin, aber trotzdem alles echt. Die Probleme, die Schmerzen, die Sorgen, die Männer mit den Masken, deine Stiefel, die aus Rattenleder sind. Und auch das nirgendwo, Sterne kommen, sie gehen. Du kannst tun, was du willst, doch deine Uhr bleibt nicht stehen. Wir fallen alles nirgendwo und irgendwann. And the smell of smoke in the air is a good friend. 'Cause I left my lantern on. I left my lantern on. I left my lantern on for so long. Now I've got a new fire. 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 A little time. Oh yeah, we dance till the night is out. Oh yeah, we dance till we can't be around. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We dance till the night is out. Yeah. We dance till the night is out. Yeah. We dance till the night is out. Yeah. We dance till we can't be around. Do you wanna dance? Can you dance?
Do you wanna dance?
Ooh,